Good morning. Welcome to Casa TexPina, build day number 11. Today is Saturday, January 25th. Had a little bit of rain yesterday afternoon and it continued to rain overnight. Just kind of light, nothing really heavy, but the guys that are digging the foundation walls and the column footers may have a little bit more of a hard time today. The dirt's going to be heavy, but hopefully it'll hold off for a while. We are expecting rain around lunchtime or a little thereafter, and they did say it's about 75% chance today, so yeah, expecting some thunderstorms. We are also expecting to have gravel, I believe, delivered today. And then we'll see what else is going to happen the rest of the day. So let's get started. Guys are busy this morning. Lots of excavation. The dirt may be a little heavy today. It rained overnight. So still digging away. Still got the same full crew from yesterday. All 18 people. Like I said, should be seeing some a lot of changes in the floor plan from above. I'll try to show you that on another drone flight this morning before the rain is supposed to come through after lunch.
Are
we still working C-bars and stirrups?
Yes, sir.
Oh, more wire ties. What are you working on?
I'm cutting for the C-bars.
Ah, okay.
After coming the 16 mm, 16 mm?
12 mm?
12 mm. Yes, I'm making also for the column.
Oh, okay.
Like that.
Like those.
Stirrup.
More stirrups. Got a lot of stirrups.
Yeah, I like the stirrup.
Too bad, no horses.
Yeah.
Well, today is Chinese New Year. So we're going to do something that's part of the feng shui tradition. And in the middle of the house, you drop 12 coins and you bury them in the middle of the house. This way it's supposed to bring good luck and good fortune the whole time the people live here. So let's see Emie doing this.
There you go.
There's Emie.
It's right there.
Just put the coins in.
Right there.
What's this supposed to do?
I guess they said it's supposed to like bring good luck and harmony into your house.
Yeah.
Okay, now you need to help me out.
Now I can help you out? Okay.
Yeah.
God.
Oh.
Good. Good.
And there, those will stay forever underneath the bottom of the house. Supposed to bring good luck to the owners as long as they live there. Good luck and good fortune. Well, just as the guys started to break for the morning merienda, they got a delivery. So let's see what we get. Looks like we got more rebar and square tubing, angle iron. Ooh, lots of rebar. Well, so it's not all for us, but we get a couple pieces off of it. Looks like just more rebar, which is good because they were kind of running short on the 16 and 10 millimeters that they've been making the column footer uprights and for the stirrups and C-bars. Angle iron or square tubing for us today, just rebar load. So they had two orders on the same truck. Ours was the first drop. Looked like we got a bunch more 10 millimeter and 16 millimeter Boy, oh boy, you walk away from the site for a second to go get lunch, and somebody delivers something. No rest for the weary. So this is our first big delivery of gravel. Looks like should be some of the base course that they'll start using at the bottom of the foundation walls. I'll find out later and let you know. Second load of gravel. Still lunchtime. Most of the guys are on siesta. But here we are. It's already drizzling rain. I gotta get this in. I know it's kind of repetitive showing you guys the site from above day to day, but at this stage of construction, you won't notice the change if I show you at ground level. So that's why I think this is a much better point of view from up above. So, let's see what else I can get. Engineers on site this afternoon, checking the plans, make sure all the column footers and the foundation walls are going in the correct spot. They do still have several walls that still need to be located, so we haven't quite got it all in yet. He did mention that we should be pouring concrete for the foundation walls and especially for the column footers, probably within another week to 2 weeks. Here we are, tail end of the work week. Last 15 minutes of the day, and what shows up? A delivery. Go figure. Here we are, getting a large truckload of sand. These guys will start using that next week. So let's watch for a little bit as it gets delivered. Well, it's yabba dabba do time. The guys got paid and they're on their way home. That's the end of the work week. Day number 11 is closed, and we had some last minute deliveries for the sand, and they'll start working on that, using that next week. Other deliveries we had today was some more rebar, so they're going to finish up the column footer rebars that they're working on, and also the more of the 10mm rebar to be able to make stirrups. They've also received the 9mm rebar that they're going to start to use with the horizontal grade beams. So they'll start working those once the column footers are completed. I think that's about a wrap for most of it. They kept on working, still digging out some of the column footers and some of the foundation walls. The engineer showed up this afternoon and walked through a couple of the locations of the column footer foundations and foundation walls with the foreman, so that they know where those are going to be located at, and they'll be able to locate them on Monday and get started doing the digging from there. So that's about it for this week, as well as for today, for the end of day 12. Oh, sorry, day 11. I'm getting ahead of myself. If you liked our videos today, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the Casa TexPina star in the bottom right hand corner and give us a subscription. Hit the bell icon down below and you'll be notified when we update our next video. Until then, y'all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, please hit like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon to be notified when our next video becomes available.